Hey there, fellow market junkies. Are you ready to dive into the thrilling world of stock trading? Jim Cramer here, and let me tell you, the stock market of 2024 is not for the faint of heart. It's a dynamic, ever-changing landscape that demands your full attention. This ain't your grandpa's Wall Street. The game has changed, and it's more exhilarating than ever. We're talking a high-speed roller coaster powered by artificial intelligence, fueled by sustainability, and riding the rails of global interconnectedness. The pace is relentless, and the stakes are higher. Gone are the days of relying solely on gut feelings and whispers from your broker. Now it's all about data, analytics, and real-time information. Today's market demands a keen understanding of cutting-edge technology, a finger on the pulse of global trends, and a healthy dose of good old-fashioned research. You need to be constantly learning and adapting. But don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you. We'll navigate this complex terrain together. We'll explore the hottest trends shaping the future of stock trading, from the rise of AI-powered trading platforms to the growing importance of sustainable investing. These are the forces driving the market forward. So, strap in, get ready for a wild ride, and let's dive into the exciting world of 2024's stock market. It's going to be an adventure you won't want to miss. First things first, let's talk tech. The landscape of the financial market is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Remember when online trading was considered revolutionary? It opened up new possibilities and changed how we thought about investing. Well, folks, that was just the tip of the iceberg. The advancements we are witnessing now are far more profound. Today, artificial intelligence and blockchain technology are transforming the market at lightning speed. These technologies are not just buzzwords, they are the driving forces behind a new era of trading. We are talking algorithms that can analyze mountains of data in milliseconds, identifying trading opportunities faster and more efficiently than any human ever could. This level of precision and speed is unprecedented. We're talking about blockchain-based platforms that are making transactions more secure, transparent, and accessible to everyone. This means fewer intermediaries and more direct, trustworthy transactions. This isn't science fiction, people. This is the reality of today's market. The integration of these technologies is reshaping the financial landscape. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to understand how these technologies are changing the game. It's crucial to stay informed and adapt to these changes. But it's not just about the tech itself. It's about the new opportunities and efficiencies it brings. It's about what it enables. The potential for innovation and growth is immense. AI and blockchain are driving greater market efficiency, increased liquidity, and a whole new level of data-driven decision-making. This is revolutionizing how trades are executed and how markets operate. This is a game changer for investors of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer, these technologies offer tools and opportunities that were previously unimaginable. Now, let's get down to brass tacks and delve into the intricate world of stock markets. And look at how these trends are playing out in the real world, affecting both investors and the economy at large. And what better place to start than with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark stock index? This index is a barometer of the Indian stock market's health. Specifically, we're going to focus on two heavyweights, Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, and Reliance Industries. These companies are pivotal to the index. These companies are not just giants of the Indian economy, they are bellwethers of the global tech and energy sectors, respectively. Their performance often sets the tone for market sentiment. TCS, a global IT services and consulting behemoth, is at the forefront of the digital transformation wave. They are driving innovation in various industries. They're leveraging AI, cloud computing, and cybersecurity to help businesses navigate the digital age. Their solutions are integral to modern business operations. Reliance, on the other hand, is a conglomerate with its fingers in everything from oil and gas to telecom and retail. Their diverse portfolio makes them a unique player. They're making big bets on renewable energy and digital services, positioning themselves for a future powered by sustainability and technology. This strategic shift is crucial for long-term growth. By understanding the performance and strategies of these two companies, we can glean valuable insights into the broader trends shaping the market. Their moves often signal larger economic shifts. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive into some analysis. We'll explore their financials, market strategies, and future prospects to get a comprehensive view. First up, TCS. From a technical standpoint, TCS has been on a tear. The stock has consistently outperformed the broader market, driven by strong earnings growth and a positive outlook for the IT services sector. Look at their moving averages, their relative strength index, all pointing towards continued momentum. But it's not just about charts and graphs. The fundamentals are equally compelling. TCS boasts a rock-solid balance sheet, a loyal customer base, and a proven track record of innovation. They're investing heavily in research and development, ensuring they stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. This combination of technical strength and sound fundamentals makes TCS a compelling investment proposition for anyone looking to capitalize on the digital revolution. Section 5. Unpacking Reliance, a fundamental and technical perspective. Now, let's turn our attention to Reliance Industries. This conglomerate is a behemoth, with operations spanning multiple sectors. Technically, Reliance has been a bit of a roller coaster ride. Volatility is inherent in a company this large and diverse. But don't let the short-term fluctuations fool you. The long-term story for Reliance remains compelling. From a fundamental perspective, Reliance is firing on all cylinders. They have a dominant position in the Indian energy market, and they're rapidly expanding their presence in telecom and retail. Their investments in renewable energy and digital services are positioning them to be a leader in the new economy. This is a company that's not afraid to disrupt itself and reinvent its business model for the future. Now, let's connect the dots. What do TCS and Reliance tell us about the bigger picture? They highlight the convergence of three major trends shaping the future of investing: sustainability, globalization, and digitization. Investors are increasingly demanding companies demonstrate a commitment to environmental, social, and governance (ESG) principles. They want to invest in companies that are not only profitable but also socially responsible. Globalization continues to break down barriers, creating new markets and investment opportunities. Companies that can operate effectively on a global scale are well positioned for success. And of course, digitization is transforming every industry, creating both challenges and opportunities for investors. Companies that embrace digital technologies are the ones that will thrive in the 21st century. Both TCS and Reliance are prime examples of companies that are riding these waves of change. TCS is at the forefront of helping businesses navigate the digital landscape, while Reliance is making big bets on renewable energy and digital services. These companies are not just adapting to change, they're driving it. They understand that the future of business is sustainable, global, and digital, and they're making the investments necessary to succeed in this new environment. This forward-thinking approach is reflected in their strong financial performance and their positive outlook for the future. They're not just surviving, they're thriving in a rapidly changing world. So, what does this all mean for you, the savvy investor? It means that you need to be paying attention to these trends and adjusting your investment strategy accordingly. Look for companies that are embracing sustainability, expanding globally, and leveraging digital technologies. These are the companies that are best positioned for long-term growth. Don't be afraid to diversify your portfolio across different sectors and geographies. The world is your oyster, and there are opportunities to be found everywhere. And most importantly, do your homework. Research companies thoroughly before you invest. Understand their business model, their competitive landscape, and their growth prospects. The stock market can be intimidating, especially with all the new technologies and trends emerging. But don't let that scare you away. Embrace the challenge. Educate yourself, stay informed, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you learn about the market, the more confident you'll become as an investor. Remember, the stock market is not a casino. It's a platform for owning a piece of the world's most innovative and dynamic companies. So, get in the game, make smart decisions, and watch your portfolio grow.